Hi, wondering why I came backwards? Because that is how I came into it. With all anxiety, with all fear, with all doubts, reluctant at beginning as to how I'm going to take my career forward. At this juncture where I was looking for a big breakthrough, a dynamic shift from what I'm doing to what I'll be doing for the rest of my life. Uh, it was a reluctant decision, but I don't regret it at all. It has changed my perception completely, and it has brought so much of value to so many things which I wanted to learn. My passion was training, but I never really took the steps forward to materialize it. It always had gone into different directions. Childhood was something else. Then I went into cooking and getting into being a chef. Later on started a business of my own. When things didn't go well, then the IT industry helped me, and I worked in the IT industry for about 8 years trying to I did earn throughout the course, but it really never satisfied me as a person. It Training was the only thing which I always wanted to do. And then came a point where I had to decide, if not now, then when. And I googled and I found out that this institute is a leading institute. I think it's the only one which is offering a professional certified course. And I always wanted to have something very strong. If I have to get into training or into soft skills, I want some institute which is loyal, which has its value. Because all through my life I have been associated with organizations which stand for their real high value and esteem. So once I found this place, I came in, I had a talk, I clearly explained what my ambitions were, what I wanted to become, so on and so forth. And with great warmth, sir welcomed me. He explained me what the process is. He explained what the pros are, what the cons are. The cons really are within yourself. So if you can overcome that and take it in a positive mindset, you can achieve everything. So the first day was very anxious. We did not know each other, the group of 4 people, and ma'am and sir were there. Slowly the rapport started building. And from first day, I loved the way they observed us. They observed the smallest, minutest action and told us what does that actually imply. So for example, even if I itch my head a little bit, it implies nervousness, but it was never known to us. The way we sit, the way we cross our legs, the way we listen, the way we talk, every small thing was thoroughly observed and was taught to us as to what that implies. And when you become a trainer, what you would be imparting, what level of knowledge you would be giving to your trainees. Also, this training had multiple layers to it. Every concept was first explained to us on a spiritual level as to morally how it is. Then it was on a human level. So if you're a human being, how would you react? And then as a trainer. So it was not just training, or it was not just this is how a presentation is done, this is the bullet styling, the points, and these are the colors you will use for a presentation, this is how you'll stand, and this is how you'll wear. It was imparting a part of yourself into that training and into the audience to which you will be training. So it was a complete shift of perceptions, and the favorite word which I've learned is co-creative. Next, I've never come across this word throughout my life, and he taught me to be co-creative. What that essentially means is not to dominate, neither to suppress yourself, but to be at the same level with the other person or a group of people to achieve results. So I'm taking a lot back from here. I am a very different person from what I was when I came in here. I'm going back with a lot of memories, with a lot of fun. Oh, we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of activities. In those funny moments, also we later on, reviewed as to what made us laugh, why we laughed, and so many things which we learned. Every minute was something which you were consistently learning. And at the end of the day, I was like, oh, let me sleep. My mind is tired after learning so much. But it was a thorough, amazing experience for me. And these people, those we have found now, they are friends for life. I just have to thank you. And ma'am was so down to earth while explaining simple concepts. Initially, probably when I got into training, I wanted to wear a blazer, a tie, and come like a trainer with a laptop or a suitcase, and you show the world that who I really am, a polished being. But behind that is a very humble person, a person who genuinely wants to improve the quality of the trainees and future trainers. So those qualities ma'am taught us. Her laugh is something which I'll take back. She's never taken things very, seriously. She's added humor in whatever we had to learn and we had to do. So that is a very nice comfort zone with which you can learn a lot. Rather than if you make a mistake and if somebody points out at you and say, this is not how it's done. Instead of that, add something humorous, and then the entire crowd laughs, and you also don't feel that, oh, okay, I've done something wrong. So this quality is amazing. So I've picked up all these traits, these small things from you guys, and I'll be associated with you forever. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Looking forward to. All the very best. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Thank
You
you.
deserve
Thanks
it.
a lot.
It's a proud moment. Enjoy.
Thank you.
We wish you train, transform as many people as possible and bring a lot of smiles on lakhs and crores of people across the country and across the globe.
Thank you.
All the very best. God bless you.
Thank you.